My name is Olivier Carnal. I'm the general manager of SMTech. And SMTech is a Swiss manufacturer of equipment for the SMT assembly. And we have a long history. We have subsidiaries in the US, in Germany, and France. And we are here at the Electronica in Munich 2024. SMTech stands for innovative and flexible SMT equipment with its all-in-one solutions, with dispensing, pick and place, and inspection. Being part of the Nano Dimension Group, SMTech is a reliable partner for innovative companies who are looking for very high standards in innovation and flexibility. Electronica is an international meeting place and an innovation center, so it's a perfect match. So that's why we believe we are at the right place at the right location. The innovations that we present in our all-in-one solutions, the Fox and the Puma, are the high-speed dispensing jet on the fly with speeds up to 500,000 dots per hour on a BGA substrate. We are also presenting our inline inspection system, the I2S. We have new feeder capabilities from 4 millimeters to 120 millimeters. And on top, we are presenting a world novelty, which is the automatic repair of BGA with automated reballing for BGAs. 2024 was a challenging year. We had a lot of uncertainty in the market. We had the crisis in automotive industry. All these circumstances did not help to create an atmosphere to really invest in new technologies and in capital equipment. And despite these difficult circumstances, SMTech was able to grow, and I think this is a very positive news. One important topic is certainly innovation. We introduced new products into the market. We have the Tarantula underfill, a platform dedicated to underfill processes with underfill heating, with precise dispensing, vision, ports alignment. We also invested a lot in the all-in-one platform. We introduced the inline inspection, we increased the speed of dispensing dramatically, and we also introduced a process for reballing, I think, which is very unique, to do an automatic rework process. So all these innovations certainly helped us. But it was not only innovations, it was also about partners. We invested a lot in our internal and international partnerships. We proved the partnership with DKSH in Asia Pacific. We opened new facilities, technology centers. We also went together to different shows, events, and also in Mexico, we are entering a collaboration with SMTO, which is a very known partner in Mexico, which helps us to be known and also to grow in those markets. So I think together, technology and partnerships are the keys for success. We are especially proud of three things. First is the motivated and very talented team that we have around us. It's our international visibility. We were able to really place also our brand in Far East, in the Americas. And third, and not least, are our partners that are really working hard to promote SMTech, our solutions, and our new products in the market. Our future priorities are to increase the speed of innovation. I think a very important topic, to be always ahead of the rest. Then to become the leader in all-in-one solutions. And third, to further increase our visibility worldwide so that everybody knows the brand of Nano Dimension and SMTech in every corner of this world. I would like to thank our partners and our customers for the collaboration and for all the support during that journey. The SMTech team and myself would like to invite you to meet us in person or online. See you soon.